something.
All right. We've got Ashcon here with the new to him E-Flite Carbon Z Cessna 150. This here is going to be the Maiden. And there's no nerves, no jitters. He's on middle rates.
Is there Expo on this? Yeah. Same as you had before?
Same as the other one, yeah.
Flaps work this time. Alright, let's see. I'll probably do... Thinking. Of course the wind picks up. Well, see, that's the thing, right? The wheel gear still seems to be turned.
I'm sure it is. We haven't ironed it out yet.
How much runway we need, but I guess no better time than the present. Safe is all the way down.
Check ailerons.
Yeah, everything.
Yeah, safe is down, just like your Husky setup.
Okay. Well. Golly, that thing is fast.
Jumped in the air, didn't it?
Oh my god. Let's see what's flying in.
Hands off, trim it out.
It seems pretty trimmed out.
Sweet. Watch your throttle.
We're in cruise right now. We got some headwind. I think that's why it looks like my speed's a lot slower than it really is. Let's see if I can I'm gonna do a go around, and then I'm gonna see if I can fly by real nice and slow with full flaps, because I haven't seen what that looks like. Oh, you see the wind?
Oh yeah.
Okay, we're gonna give some landing flaps.
Crosswind correction. And fly right over our head.
All right, I'm gonna try and land.
To a really low pass this time. Not necessarily a landing, but get close with the plans to go around.
Okay, if I'm gonna do that, then I need to be on the goalposts. I'm gonna do...
Keep going. 20 or 30 more paces.
I'm getting call out for cruise mode and that kind of stuff. Might be the profile. Alright. I'm gonna commit to the landing now.
No, you're gonna commit to a touch and go.
I don't know if I can do a touch and go.
Well, plan for a touch and go.
Alright.
And if everything's good, then you just let it roll out. Probably should have stayed high and did a stall. All right, the maiden flight. It was not a maiden crash.
That wheel is kind of stuck though. I gotta mess with this some more. It's not bad to where I can't fly, but when you land, you have to like really hold the rudder.
Oh, yeah, I see what you're saying.
Yeah.
What we should do is make the rudder match the wheel and then trim the rudder to neutral.
Ah, that's a good idea.
You know what I mean? Since the wheel's so difficult to adjust. Going again?
I am down for again, but I want to check something. I want to get into expert mode because I didn't like safe at all. Yeah, you see how it's kind of wavy, the wheel.
The slop in the control rod
Yeah.
and stuff. Get some Robart wheels. The rubber will probably take some of that out.
I got like 2 minutes left according, well this says 6 minutes, but I think with the 5,000 you can get about 10 minutes.
You need another lap. Now that you're fairly comfortable, you need to go up and pull back on the throttle until you find where it stalls on the throttle. Like
Yeah.
slowly reduce.
And keep pulling back
And keep it level and just keep reduce.
until it drops.
And then when you find the stall, you need to be one throttle up for landing, you know what I mean?
Oh, that's why I couldn't hear any of that. Okay. I'm gonna turn around
All right, see right here, Ash? I'm gonna move you to that. Cause I keep trying to be by you to hear what you're saying on film. And you keep moving around.
know,
I'm like,
I'm sorry,
hold
I'm
still, hold still.
All right.
Takeoff flaps, sweet.
Ah, okay, that's how you get out of. Okay. Let's see if we can do this without safe. That was windy. That was a rough takeoff. And then, of course, when we take off, the wind really picks up. So this is expert, I think. So let's see, we're going to come back this way.
And do your stall into the wind too.
Yeah. There.
Flaps or no flaps?
No flaps.
Okay, do one full flaps.
Into the wind,
Into the wind.
full flaps. It's like standing still. That's no throttle at all and it's still flying.
You must be sinking. Well, that's good. That means there's no like lean tendency, like it'll roll on a stall. So happy day there.
No flaps right now. Let's see if we can do it. Nice. Yeah, it's amazing how much, even the slightest bit of wind right now, we're getting some crosswind. You see that?
Yeah.
I'm surprised. Let me see if I can do a low flyby. Let's see. Can we do a flyby? A low one.
Timer stop. Timer start.
It keeps wanting to climb.
That's your trim.
Yeah. And, all right, I'm gonna see if I can come back through for another landing. I'd like to get that figured out on expert mode before I run out of battery.
Hey, no shame in landing and safe.
Keeps
Keeps your airplane straight and level.
Ain't nobody got time for that, Dusty.
Just saying. Keeps your investment in good shape.
I don't like this countdown.
4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Your full flaps?
No.
Well, you're going around.
Yep.
As the wind picks up anyway, so that's a good thing. Thing moves pretty quick.
Yeah, it does. That was full throttle.
Flight mode 2. Flight mode 3. Timer stop. Timer start. Timer stop. Timer start. Timer
Switch
stop.
that to a tone.
Yeah.
Here comes some crosswind. That was so good.
It flies amazing.
All right, Maiden flight in the books.
Yeah.
You didn't spread foam. Still got a full prop.
Young Dave, as Young Dave would say, spread foam.
Spread foam. All right, till the next flight.
Till the